Hello, this is Debbie and I'm going to show you how to make this week's craft. So we're going to be making paper roses, and the supplies that you'll need are glue and a pencil, scissors, and two colors of the computer paper, the pink and a green. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take a piece of computer paper and you're going to fold it like this, and then you're going to cut the bottom rectangle off. Next you're going to take your square now and fold it up, and then over, so that you have the 4 squares here, and you're just going to cut them out so that they look like this. You're going to have 4 pieces to work with now. So what you're going to do is take one of the squares and you're going to fold it up and then fold it over and then fold it into a triangle, and you're going to cut your petals from here, so make sure that you're cutting with the open end over here. So just take your scissors and cut so that it's domed and it looks like that, a petal. And then you're going to take the scissors, you're going to cut the end off just a little bit like that, so your petals will look like this. So you're going to do that for all of the squares. So there you go. So you fold up and then over and then into a triangle. Cut the petal and then a small hole at the bottom. Okay, we are on our last petal. So what you're going to do now is you're going to unfold them. So for the first one, you're going to just cut one petal out. For the second one, you're going to cut 2 petals out. For the third one, 3 petals out. And you're going to keep these off to the side. You'll need that later, the 3 petals that you just cut out. And the last one, cut 4 petals out. With this one, put some glue on this end petal and then wrap so that the petal on the other side goes right over it. And set that off to the side. For this one, you're going to do the same thing. This end petal here, it gets glue on it, and this one swings over and goes right on top of it. Same thing with this one, glue on the end. And also for the last one, the glue goes on this end petal. So now you have the outside of the petals complete. You're going to take the 3 petals that you had cut earlier, and it's easier if you have a chopstick or a really thin pencil. I don't, so I'm just going to have to freehand this, but you are going to just wrap it up like this so that it's going to be the center of your flower. Some glue on the end here to hold it. Now you can assemble your flower. Take the first one and put the second one in it. Then the third one. Then the fourth one. Now you have the center of your flower. You're going to stick that in there. And if the bottom doesn't want to poke through, you can always make one of the holes bigger. But yeah, there it goes. Because you're going to need to put the flowers on the bottom part here. So you make that the same way you made the petals. You fold it up. And then over. And then make a triangle. Just get a general leaf shape, and then at the bottom just cut the end off. So that it fits on here. So you just take some glue and you put the glue on the inside of the leaves and then paste it there, hold it until it dries, and then you'll have the flower. The completed flower will look like this. So I hope you enjoyed watching the craft. Please let me know if you like it. If you create the craft on your own, you can post a picture of it. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.